Yes, chef.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make beef rendang. So for the ingredients, we need 300 grams of beef cubes, 1 tablespoon of chili paste, 1 stick cinnamon, 1 piece star anise, 3 pieces of cloves, 5 pieces of cardamom, 150 ml coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 inch galangal, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 inch ginger, 4 stalks lemongrass, 150 ml of milk, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 medium onion, half teaspoon pepper, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 inch turmeric. To start with, we have to cook our grated coconut. So just roast your grated coconut in about 5 to 10 minutes until it's brown. And set it aside. And for the paste, all you need is to put slice of lemongrass and garlic, slice of ginger and galangal, slice of onion, and a slice of fresh turmeric in a blender. So you can use any kinds of blender that you have at home. Just blend it until it's smooth. Once you're happy with the texture, set it aside. Now we can start cooking our rendang. Put the cooking oil in a pan. Cook the blended mixture. Cook it until it's fragrant. Add the chili paste. Cook it for about a minute or two. Add the cinnamon stick, star anise, cardamom, and cloves. Add the cumin seeds. Cook it for 2 minutes. Add the roasted grated coconut. And now you can add the beef. Mix it all together and let it simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, now it's a perfect time to add sugar. Add salt to taste. Add the fresh milk. And add the coconut milk. Mix it all together, and this has to simmer in about 2 hours. You can always put water when it's dry. Always remember to simmer in a very low heat. Now our rendang is ready. I always love eating beef rendang with a plain rice. And top it with a chopped fresh lime leaves.